in the heart of Fort Worth, where the Lone Star State meets the skyline, stands a roofing company that's been a beacon of excellence for over 2 decades. Welcome to Apex Roofing, your trusted partner for residential and commercial roofing services. We don't just fix roofs, we build relationships that stand the test of time. With a legacy of over 20 years, our commitment to quality has earned us the coveted A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. We don't just meet industry standards, we exceed them, ensuring your peace of mind with every project we undertake. Whether home or commercial, we understand that a roof is more than just shingles and beams. It's your shelter, your protection. At Apex Roofing, we don't just build roofs, we build trust. Our skilled team are not just experts in their field. They're neighbors, friends, and members of this vibrant community. From home to work, Apex Roofing has been a part of the Fort Worth landscape, ensuring that your investment is protected, come rain or shine. When it comes to roofing, choose the name that stands above the rest. Apex Roofing, where integrity meets craftsmanship, and your satisfaction is our top priority.